Hello everybody, going to do some scampi today. Frozen scampi from Aldi. £2.29 it was. People have been asking me to do scampi. I did want to make my own, but I couldn't get the stuff. I might have to travel to get it. But so I thought we'll try some of them. Frozen, the dog's here with the food up already. Some frozen ones with in the air fryer. And I'm also going to do these. I saw these up Aldi as well. Now it says they're new. Don't know what that means, because they say new and then they've had them like somewhere else, ain't they, for the last 12 months. Then Aldi French fries, McDonald's rip-off, ain't they? And you get the 2 cartons with it as well, apparently. So we're going to have them with it as well. So let's open them up and let's have a look. Right then, okay, we've got the scampi first. Say the French fries, you get 2 in the pack there. Say it says new, takeaway style. And the breaded scampi, fishmonger, new look. It says. There's all the calories. You can have a look at that. What's that, half a pack, 230 calories. Cooked and frozen in 16 minutes. Well, I'm doing it all in the air fryer. Whole tail of scampi contained in a crispy breadcrumb contains 1 or more tail per piece. So yeah, it's just a mixture of different fish, and that's all it is. Nutrition. Have yourselves a look, if you can see it. And cooking instructions say, well, 200 degrees, 14 to 16 minutes. Well, I'm doing in the air fryer. Oh, it says air fryer there. Oh, this product is not suitable for cooking in an air fryer. Well, I'm going to do it in the air fryer. So we'll see whether it's any good, won't we? Refer to manufacturer's instructions of your air fryer. Oh, it's suitable. We said it's not suitable. It's suitable. See? Got to get my eyes tested again. Okay. So I'm doing it in the air fryer anyway. I've never really seen many signs about air fryer things on air fryers, you know. So that's not too bad there then. And then we've got the French fries. Half of the box, so 1 lot's about 186 calories. Nutrition there. And cooking, oh, it says air fryer as well. This product is suitable for cooking in the air fryer. Please with manufacturer's instructions. Good. Right then, I'll get my air fryer warmed up, then we'll get them open, we'll get them in a basket, and we'll have a look then. Right, air fryer's warmed up. We're going to get it opened up now. We'll open the scampi first, we'll have a look at that. Get it open. I know you don't get much scampi in these bags there. Don't think, oh, you mind you, yeah, quite a bit in there actually. You get quite a bit. Get them in the basket. Get all them on one side and I'll get the fries on the other. I haven't had scampi for absolutely years, you know. Years. Yeah. Put them in and probably give them a mix halfway through. Now we're going to the fries. Have a look at these. Let me know if you've had these before, whether you've had them ages down by you. I think they are the McDonald's things, ain't they? But ours, say our McDonald's things ain't long come through at our Aldi. There's a little cartons, look. 2 of them. Okay, I'll open them in a minute. And here's the fries. You don't get a lot there. Enough to fill a little carton, I suppose. I mean, I don't do McDonald's, so I don't know how much the fries are there. Get them open. Well, are they about £1, I suppose? I don't know. I don't know if I get all these in. I'm going to pile them in anyway, and I'll give them a shake as we go. Put them one side, put them the other. Cook about the same sort of time-ish. Right, there they are, look. Let's bring you back a bit. Bring you zooming in. There we go. We're going to close. While that air fryer's doing then, we might as well open these, innit? Just pop in like that, I suppose. Is that it? There you go. Yeah. Oh well. Little cups, well, little containers. That ain't bad, are they, for the kids? Right guys, that's been 4 minutes. I'm just going to check it because I can smell it cooking. Okay. Not ready yet, obviously. I'm going to give them chips a stir. Right, I'm going to check now, guys. It's been 7 minutes. Oh, yeah, them chips are done. I'm going to get the chips out. I'll leave them in a couple more minutes, then Scampi. Let me get the chips out. Just going to give them a little shake. Back in. And in the meantime, there's the chips. A couple of mushy ones. And some containers. Let's get a few in. There we go. There's the fries, McDonald's fries. I mean, you could put them in better than me, but hey up. Let's try one. Need some salt, don't we? We need a bit of salt. Only table salt for me. Right, and now we'll get the Scampi out. It should be nearly done. Oh, maybe another minute or two. Maybe another minute or two. Okay, they should be done now. We're going to check. Yeah, they're done now. They are done. Let's dish them out then. Burn my hands. Let me show you what I've done. Because I haven't got no wicker baskets, you know, you used to get the old wicker baskets in them, didn't you? With Scampi and fries. I put them in a pie dish. Why not, eh? There you go then. Right, let's have a crack. So, there we go, guys. Bit of Scampi in the air fryer. And some fries. Not keen on the Scampi?
Not keen on the chips.
You're not keen on the chips?
No. Them other ones do get a better.
That's not keen on the chips. What, the ones in the box? In the big box?
Yeah.
In the box. I would have a crack. I think they're more aimed at kids, aren't they?
I don't know, they smell really nice. But I don't know.
They're alright, aren't they? They're not... No?
But mushy.
They are a bit mushy.
And at the end bit...
But that might be because I put them more at one side, had to Scampi the other, instead of spreading them out, you see.
The taste weird. No. You've got the mush, but then you've got like a... I can't explain what it is. It's like...
You've not got enough salt on, because they put a bit of salt on. These ones are alright. Try them ones, them ones are fine.
That's okay.
I think mine are fine. I think they're aimed at children, so... Yeah, I mean, it's like a McDonald's thing, isn't it? That's what it's aimed at, I think, isn't it?
Yeah,
I'm not too bad with them.
I prefer the other ones.
Sure, the Scampi.
Scampi's lovely.
Something
Like
else.
Scampi, yeah.
We haven't had Scampi for years, have we?
Can't remember last time we had it.
It's okay, isn't it?
What's that?
You could do better, couldn't you?
What?
With a Scampi. It's nice.
Oh, okay.
It's nice. Could do better.
I've always liked Scampi though.
Want some lemon?
No.
Could do better. I could probably make better my own if I had the proper thing. You can use monkfish, can't you?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can use monkfish. I think that was probably what they used in the 70s, more of a monkfish or whitefish thing. Get that authentic taste.
It's not a really fish, but I like Scampi.
I like the breadcrumbs. The Scampi to me seems a little bit,
Mushy.
yeah, and a little bit watery.
Yeah.
A little bit watery and a little bit mushy.
Some are.
Yeah, some are.
No, some of them are and some of them aren't.
Some are, some ain't. Just a little bit water and a little bit mush. But they're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, lots. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll have to try another shop now and see what theirs are like.
Was it expensive?
£2.29p, which isn't bad, is it, for Scampi?
Not bad. But is that
For
all,
fake Scampi, obviously, for...
is that the whole packet gone?
Oh, yeah, you don't get many, do you?
No.
How many are each? About 7 each or something. 7 or 8 each or something. Then the fries, obviously. Damien had these, wouldn't he? Put them in the air fryer for yourself, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But that might just be down to me. The way I...
No, it's like the mushy, but then it's like lots of chewy, rubbery
I'll find them okay. I'll find them mushy.
texture. I can't explain it. I can't explain the ends of texture.
There we go.
But I like Scampi. No.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah. I'd buy it again, wouldn't you? I probably wouldn't buy the chips.
I don't buy chips.
I'd probably buy like that other box we get. You know what I mean? Because I think they are a lot better. And you get a lot more than what's in there. I think about the same price as well, about 160 or something. I think these are 150. Or just buy French fries, wouldn't you?
But it's like I said, it's good to get kids to eat.
Yeah, it's something to say the kids all do you at McDonald's and give them that. They wouldn't even know, would they, if you done them a burger.
But something else, isn't it? What fish fingers or something?
If you bought one of them Aldi McDonald's burgers up there as well and bought some of them, they probably wouldn't even know. Would they? If you had little young kids. Well, I say, there you go. Going to eat it. This is our tea. But hey up.
Hey up.
Hey up. So yeah, as I say, I am the old food guy. Air fryer Scampi. I'm going to try another shop of them. Because we haven't had Scampi for years and I am quite enjoying a bit of Scampi. So I reckon I might try Lidl next.
Alright, the Scampi at 6.
Scampi at 6, yeah.
And the fries at 3.
As far as, oh, the fries are that bad. I don't think the fries are that bad. But I would prefer to just buy you do get bags up there, don't you? For one about the same price as that, the big frozen chips, don't you? You might as well buy them, mightn't you? Anyway, there we go. That gives the lot of 6, Scampi a 6 and the fries are 3.
Yeah.
I'd probably give about the same for the Scampi. The fries, I don't really find them too bad. See you later.